So I'm very proud about our ED&I steering group, which is evergreen. It is evolving every single day, and we are very pleased to have a network of champions who are able to champion ED&I in all of its forms, from neurodivergency to Welsh language to LGBTQ+, to race equality, women's network, and obviously our Men's Alliance network as well.
Nobody should feel that they need to hide who they are when they're in the workplace. You should be comfortable to talk about who you are. Everybody's different, and that's a really positive thing, and we need to use everybody's difference to make this a stronger organisation. The board's really committed to this, and we've been going through a process for the last few years to try and diversify the membership of the board to make it more representative of all the communities that we serve. It's a slow process, but we're getting there.
When I joined Coleg Gwent, I was really proud to see the gender demographics both on the board, on CLT and SLT, and I was really excited to see that women are represented here at Coleg Gwent, that they are valued, and I strive for a time where people don't have to justify their ability, their competence and their experience based on how old they are.
Mae mor bwysig bod ni gyd yn gallu bod yn union pwy ydyn ni yn y gweithle os da ni am gyrraedd ein llawn potensial. Mae ganddo ni gyfle gwych fel cymuned y coleg i sicrhau bod pawb yn teimlo'n hollol gyffyrddus. Enghraifft, gyda'r grwpiau ffyneg newydd yn y coleg, mae hwn yn gyfle gwych i pawb weithio hefo'i gilydd i roi cyfle i bobl drafod eu profiadau personol a sicrhau bod y coleg yn parhau i symud yn y cyfeiriad iawn.
By raising awareness and educating our students and staff, it will create safe spaces and allow everyone to fully express themselves. The main outcomes should always be kindness and acceptance. I've been lucky to encounter such kindness and supportive people since I've started at the college.
So with the Equality Steering Group, it's really important that everything that's done there actually translates into an action or information that's going to be useful. I've seen some amazing things and brilliant people and all different types of people in Coleg Gwent, and it's great that this is a place where people are encouraged to flourish in all the different ways that suit them.
All of us are the same. We're all human beings, but we're also all different. And if we keep on thinking about that and recognizing that, I think we will better understand that we've got to listen to people's perspectives and try and use our position in college to make a difference.
It is so important that we're able to see each other through each other's lenses, rather than just having one optical viewpoint. It's the only way that we will achieve a truly inclusive and a truly anti-racist society in Wales.
Gyda'n gilydd, ni yw Coleg Gwent.
Together, we are Coleg Gwent.